Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market, and today I'm going to share with you what am I seeing on the Bitcoin chart as we have got a new all-time high. Stay with me, let's check it out. Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to start with the Bitcoin dominance. As you can see on the weekly, Bitcoin dominance actually is still falling to the downside, and the point can stop actually this falling to the downside. I think it's about 53% for the Bitcoin dominance, or even 50.5% for the Bitcoin dominance. I think that's the very low the Bitcoin dominance can go for the next few days or weeks, and altcoins are still playing really good. Again, not against the Bitcoin, actually they are playing good against the US dollar, as the Bitcoin price is rising up as well as making a new all-time high. I think altcoin cannot make a really proper action against the Bitcoin. We have got a totally break out of this ascending triangle, as I told you, for the past few days. And now what do we see? Actually, at the moment we have got a new all-time high for Bitcoin, which is about the $64,860, and the long target for this action is going to be around I think it's going to be around the $80,000 in the next few days or weeks. Let me just show you what do we have in here. We have got the Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame on this chart. As you can see, we've been talking about this triangles actually and this falling wedge. Now what do we have in here? We had actually a rising wedge to the upside, but this rising wedge broke to the upside as the market is really bullish for Bitcoin. Now this rising wedge didn't fall to the downside, and maybe some people expect that one. Now this rising wedge actually pushed to the upside and broke to the upside, and now it got back to this area. And if Bitcoin is going to drop one more time in the next few days, is going to be this area, which is the upper line of this triangle, or maybe it's going to be this zone we have got the previous resistance for us. Now it might work as a support for us, which is about a $61,400. As the market is so bullish, I think $61,400 is going to work as a really powerful support for Bitcoin. Am I expecting Bitcoin to fall down below this area? Not at the moment, as the market is so bullish. This is less than 1% to happen. Actually, Bitcoin fall well down to this area. I'm not accepting that one, as Bitcoin is still so bullish. I'm still seeing on the chart Bitcoin is going to make a new all-time highs every day, since maybe it got started yesterday, but for the next few days or weeks I'm expecting new all-time highs for Bitcoin. If I go on the 4-hour time frame, on the daily time frame for this one, as I told you, for this inverse head and shoulder is now completed. It's actually completed 2 days ago. Now is price of Bitcoin is rising to about $67,500 according to this head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder we have got in here. If I show you the other chart I have got in here as well, according to this chart I have got, the middle line of this channel might go as working as a resistance for us, or for Bitcoin. Actually, $67,500 is going to be the middle line of this channel, and $67,500 is going to be the top line of this is going the price for this inverse head and shoulder as well. Then $67,500 might work as a really nice resistance for us in the next few days. I'm going to show you the Ethereum chart I have got in here as well, but before I go to the Ethereum chart, please take a second of your time and press the like button and subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel as well. Now what do we have for the Ethereum chart? Now we have got the two lines in here which might work as a really nice support for Ethereum. If Ethereum fall down to this area, I think about that 2250 is going to work as a really nice support for Ethereum. Why am I expecting 2250? I'm going to show it to you in the next chart as well. But before falling to the downside, I'm expecting another legs to the upside for Ethereum in the next few days and weeks. If I go and show it to you on this chart, I told you for several times, according to this area we have got from the bottom of this area to top, the neckline we had in here, and if we manage that one, if we calculate or check both of them together, the target for this one is reached at the moment for Ethereum price $2,337. It got reached at the moment. If I go on the other chart I have got in here, 2250, it got broken finally with the daily candle. I told you this time maybe it's really powerful for Ethereum to break this middle line we have got in here, which worked as a resistance and support. I told you for the past few days actually Ethereum couldn't break this line to the upside, but this time is going to be likely for Ethereum to break this one to the upside. Now the middle line with the white color and the 161% for the Fibonacci retracement got broken, then 2250 for Ethereum might work as a really nice support. If I go back onto this chart I have got in here and showing it to you on the 4-hour time frame, I'm telling you this area, if Ethereum price fall back to this area, the $2,250 is going to work as a really nice support, and after that Ethereum could manage to make a new leg to the upside. If I show you the other chart I have got in here, now according to this chart, what do we have? Actually we have got the upper line, which is about the 200% of the Fibonacci retracement at $2,760. If Ethereum push into the upside more and more, 2,700 or 2,800 is not that far away for Ethereum. According to this chart I have got in here, as we had a run to the upside, according to this leg we had to the upside and we made a double bottom and the neckline got broken. Now we have got another leg to the upside. According to this, if we calculate this run to the upside, which was about if I check it out for you, this leg to this upside was about 100%. Now we might actually expecting this rally to upside another like a 50%, which might go for the $3,000. If we calculate this one, this arrow is going to be exactly as this one, and if we accept this one as a pattern, actually we might go for the $3,000 in the next few days or weeks for Ethereum. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you have found the video helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys, and see you in the next one.